Netherite leggings. What a piece of equipment. Hello everybody and welcome back to the episode here on Ryker Craft 2.0, where in today's episode Raptor and I are going to be working on a kind of blacksmith inspired blacksmith house, with both a weaponsmith and a toolsmith inside, because we already have the armor smith in the half that I built off camera a couple of episodes ago, which was like 4 weeks ago now. 5, actually no, it was more like 5 weeks ago, I think. I'm losing track. But yeah, I've got the basic outline of this done in my head, so I'd remember what we'd do. So I think we get straight into it by coming over here and taking out some polished andesite and some cobblestone. If Devon could grab the wood, I would be grateful. I didn't think this through. I need to take the wall back one. Well, if you will, stand in the way. Alright. And there. Alright. If you could pass me the wood. Okay. And now if you could go to the nether and get me 4 buckets of lava. Good luck. Alright, well. And then while he does that, we are going to continue to build the walls up here. Why? Why have you done this? I need to take back this wall. Luckily for me, I have a netherite shovel. We are not sponsored by netherite shovel, just so you know. We'll just run it all the way around here. Is that even? It is not even. Alright, cool. Oh, that's not you. I thought that was you. Josh is here. I'm so used to you just dropping out of nowhere. Probably. Might be a good idea. I'm going to take a cut while I build these walls. This really isn't exciting. Alright, and we're just going to put in these little windows here, so that no baby zombies can somehow manage to bypass the lava and make it through the window to kill them while they sleep. Then I'm going to put down a crafting table. And we'll get ourselves some fences. I'm actually going to go for the whole 12 fence look. I think it looks nice. Incorrect. You're actually putting it in the trees. Yeah, no, the lag is insane. Awesome. Now, while I did cut out filling in the walls, I'm not going to cut out filling in the ceiling, because I am highly likely to die by jumping into the lava, going AFK for 5 minutes, and coming back to find all my stuff is burned. No, I wouldn't think it would be a good idea. Look at this. Already looking so good in it. Do I not have another stack? I have 5. I have 5 more cobblestone. I wonder, where could I ever get some cobblestone from? Oh, there's some there. Hey, Devon, I'm gonna need your hoe. And that's 10 stairs for the roof, because I like to make roofs blend. That's right. I put roofs in a blender and make them into a smoothie. Thought this was weird. This is my channel. Get used to it. And just like that, the roof is done. The roof is done. I did the roof. You didn't do the roof. You done nothing. I want a door there, so I'm actually going to put that there. In the middle of the 3 wide. In the middle of the 3 wide, and then we'll go bam bam. And then I'm thinking a can of bam and a can of bam, you know? And then the lava should be enough out here. The next thing I want is glass. And then I'm going to take these torches down off this back wall here that I just put there. And put that back. And then we're going to go like this. This is going to be a window onto a tree. I'm going to cut down the tree. That looks good. I'll put another bit there. Panes, that is. Wow. Yes, but it doesn't fit with the aesthetic of what's currently there. Yes, please. Because I've just run out of glass. Is there still some in your furnaces? From like 18 episodes ago. Alright, well, while you figure that out, I'm going to work on the doors. Alright, I need to come over here and compare. What do we have? An oak door. Lovely. Lovely stuff. Gone right Yorkshire today, I have. No idea why. I think... You know what? I prefer the old model of the doors. Like, you know that oak doors used to be in your inventory? Like, just that kind of plain flat wood kind of thing. I preferred that. Yeah. Once you get into a rhythm and know what you do. Yeah, what is it, lads? I can't eat. Oh. It's that very much, lad. Oh, I've got a full inventory. I'll chuck down a crafting table and make a chest. Flip, that's me sword. No, it isn't. For it's actually mine. No, I'm glad you don't need me sword, lad. Aye. You have like 4 of them. And you know what? I'm feeling like special treatment for this, lad. You can have an extra window. But it's got to be full glass, though. I'm not taking any chances with him. Aye. Alright, well, I think the next thing that we need to do is one of us needs to go sleep. Let's play rock, paper, scissors. The next thing to do is we're very nearly done with this build already. We're only 10 minutes in. Next thing we need to do is dig out the bottom area. So we're going to have the staircase start here, and it's going to go down just like this. Yeah, mirror it, por favor. Crikey, it's even affecting me Spanish. Never been this Yorkshire before. Actually, I have. That's a complete lie. Right, well, this is good. The stairs should just be the back 3 blocks. And then we'll just do it like this. I'll do it 3. And make the room out of cobble. Yes, tridents are actually the tool to destroy dirt with. They didn't tell you that. But it's actually more efficient. Why do I always do this? It's a 3x3 room. No, it's not, is it? One too many blocks, lad. Careful, I'm digging. Well, it did on mine. Alright, and that's both rooms done. Just need the bed now, so I'll go over and get some wool from barn. Yes, we have an automatic wool farm, not an automatic sheep farm. Big difference. Now, you may notice that it's dropping a few frames around here. I have no idea what could possibly be dropping any frames, but I do need to breed the cows at some point. Egg. I'm thinking light grey wool. We need to empty this. Flipping egg. Egg. Oh, I need more light grey wool. There we go. Alright, a lot of cows in there. They need breeding. One bed. 2 beds. I made blue beds. I don't even know how I did that. Oh, I've got lapis. That'll do it. If the cows ever escape, they're our leaders. We've got no chance. They own us. Can I get one cobble in here? Just one. Just need one. Why is my window so creaky? Get one myself. Flipping heck. Right, there we go. And then I'll just place the blue bed on this side. Just like that. We've got ourselves our beds down here. Now what we need to do is change the windows. This is going to be quite painful, but I do need pains. Oh, that's lucky, I got some out of here. Put my shovel in instead of the glass. Not played Minecraft in a while, guys. It's been a good 4 weeks. Despite what the episodes may say. Ow! Do you mind? Okay, just as long as we both know that. I don't know how you missed that, to be honest. I'm just going to go check in on the other building. See how I did this. Because I know it was like 1 block wide, I think. Aye, 1 block wide. Ryker Craft episode Yorkshire. It's one of the best names I've heard. Alright, that's actually all trapdoors up there. So all we have is 2 blocks of cobble. No, we're breeding them, mate. I've got one lined up and ready to go. What do I need? I need to go over here. Have a look in here. I didn't put any in. Great. I'll mine this. Flipping it, it's laggy. I'm gonna grab a grindstone. And I'm going to need 2 iron ingots, which I will grab from my ender chest. Just like that. And a smithing table. Yeah, feel free. I literally planted those so we could harvest them, so feel free to get rid of them. We're going to put... Oh, wait, I need to work out which one's which now. I know this is weaponsmith. Alright, weapons go on this side. Just like that. Toolsmith goes on this side. Toolsmith goes on this side, just like that. Then I'm going to need 6 trapdoors. Trapdoors. That's 4. 6. I need to place them this way. Physics. So, what's it like swimming in air? We'll place them in on this side and all. And then we've just got the trouble of working out some way of getting them actually in here. No, I was thinking is, I don't know how many I've got ready to go. I know I've got at least 1 adult ready to go. But I don't know if there's... Oh, I've only got an adult. So I'll get some food. Do you have any? I'll go get some bread. No, they don't eat. They're not horses. I'll get a stack of wheat, that'll do. By a stack I mean 55. I can't be bothered to grab a whole stack. That would have involved like 0.1 of a second more looking in a chest. Can't be bothered to do that. I'm now going to go sleep. Hey up, lads. Hey, oh, yeah, sleeping on the floor. Wonderful. Alright guys, you know what time it is. I forgot to craft the bread. Do you have a crafting table? For some reason I didn't put one in here. Really weird. After much pain, we're finally here. Getting this villager in. I need to put these fences back. We did have one ready to go and be brought up in here, so that's why he's here already. We have just had to breed the other ones though, so we are waiting on the other one. But this way I decided to be a weaponsmith, unless he's changed his profession. Right, across the hall with you. You better not change your profession while we're moving, lad. I'll just check you. Alright, toolsmith. Wonderful. Put your windows back in. Let me come in here. Wreck your boat. And that's your workstation, lad. You're going to be in this room for the rest of your life. Have fun. And that's where we're going to end the episode, guys. So, we're going to get the other one in off screen. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Make sure to leave a like down below. And I'll see you all in the next one.